Meaning of iconology.
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 Iconology. Iconology is a branch of art history that studies symbolism and the interpretation of symbolic meaning in works of art. It involves the analysis of visual imagery to uncover their intended meanings, cultural contexts, and historical significance. Iconology seeks to understand how artists used symbols and iconography to convey specific messages or evoke particular emotions. Through close examination of symbols, iconology aims to reveal the underlying ideologies of a society or period. Ultimately, it helps us better understand and appreciate the complexities of art and culture throughout history.